Alrighty, hey everyone, just wanted to share some One Loft birds that returned from the races. Actually, I'm just going to show the AGN birds. They are the best ones that came home this year. The others are good, but lean more towards average, whereas the two I'm going to show right now is, I wish my whole loft was full of them. But here's the first one. This is the prize winner on the final race day, the first final race day, not the 400, but the 330. Everyone has heard it was a very fast race, which I was fine with. It is what it is. She was 60th that day. I think out of 600 birds, so just at the 10%, top 10%. She is, I don't have any other birds that handle like these two birds in here, so I think with the proper genetics and trainers, because those guys at the AGN, they got the best product in town. That's probably one of the best One Loft races to send your birds to. They take they take really good care of them. So thank you to those guys. I sent 2 birds to that race. So this one and its nestmate I'll show you next. So I bred 2 birds off that stud cock, and these are the 2 that I sent. And they flew all the way to the 400. She got 99th on the 400. And I think those gentlemen were saying it was the first 400-mile One Loft race official. I think it was like 401 miles, which I think is pretty cool. But she is just beautiful. I'll get her in the hand here. Here's our hen, 1620, daughter of that stud cock. A lot of fight. I love when the head just nice and round on top, right into the beak. It's not flat, not a big neck. These birds are, I mean, you can only hope to breed for perfect, but you can't as a breeder. You have to always find an improvement. But these 2 birds that came home, I love them. You see how strong her back is? Let me just move her wings for you. You don't have to pull her legs or nothing. Alrighty, here is her brother. So the first bird I showed, I'm pretty sure is a hen, and I thought was a hen, but I'm pretty sure is a cock. I just pulled him out of the bath, so he's a little wet. But he is also just handles fantastic. He actually did better most of the season till the end. I remember when I sent them, they handled better than anything. So I'm gonna run that bull cock through the hens I was showing you, and then land him and finish him on their mom again, and get 3 rounds out of their mom, and send over to the AGN. Hopefully they have another race. I think the AGN's by far, like I said, the best race. One of them in the States. They very transparent. They have a GPS tracking on the truck. I'm sure they got every complaint, and they made sure to never get those complaints again, because you know how some of us pigeon racers can be. But I think they have the best product. My wife loved it and just wants me to send it there. So maybe another one loft race and some small futurity races, but really just focus on this bloodline. I want them all to look like these guys. But let's get this guy in the hand now. Hey, here's the son of that pair, or brother. He is maybe a little better than the sister I just showed. He recovered real fast. He's a little wet from the bath, but beautiful wing. And he always did better on the shorter tosses. Once he got up to 300, the high 200s, his sister started coming in. So I think with cocks, they kind of waste their energy running around the loft chasing hens. But just around. He's a little more calmer than his sister. In the hand, at least. He just came out of the bath. He's a little wet. Look at that balance. That's true balance. You don't have to pull their legs apart in wings. The birds never got their legs apart like that. It might look good on the video, but look at that. Perfect balance. That's what I think what all of us need to breed for. Yeah, I'm only holding him with some fingers. Look at that. All right, everyone. I want to thank those AGN guys again. They did a fine job and a hell of a season. Birds are better than any birds I've ever gotten back. So thanks again. I also just want to mention that if you are looking to buy or sell your home in the Southern California area, go ahead. I'd love for you guys to reach out, and I'd love to help. Or if you're out of state and want to find a Keller Williams agent, I'd love to help you there. But, all right, everyone, thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe.